Yes, people. I love when one can relax and enjoy themselves. You know. Easter, Easter. You know, if you have a rich Easter, learn if you enjoy yourself. See? After me call this girl, I tell her, so watch her now, alright. Me I come over. See? So me I say, me I bring 2 buns and 3 pan of fish. And she I say, yes, chops, yes. And me I say, alright, cool. Cool. Me I come. 3 pan of fish me I bring come. See me? And 2 buns. So me go so boom and me tired and me go so me say, yeah, Easter bun. Me say, yeah, Easter bun. 2 buns. You see me I say? So me go so boom now and buck out my bun them now. And me go so boom now and took out my fish. And me say, 3 pan of fish. The girl come at me, what kind of fish? I say, you mean? Fish are fish. You see that one here? Season already. That one here snapper. That one here butterfish. That one here perch. Fish are fish. If you learn to enjoy Easter. 3 pan of fish. You are going like a fish. Yo, you swim me, put my mind pan snapper and pull one of them here. Same way it taste, that me I tell her. So you have to learn to enjoy your Easter. Happy Easter. 3 pan of fish and the girl tell me no. Me just bring one back the fish them. My fish them, brethren. You see me? You have to learn to enjoy yourself, man. Take it easy, man. Na Easter, man. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, man. 3 pan of fish, man, and 2 buns. Boom.